Here I have some smoked LED tail lights in from Autosaver 88. Link to them is in the description. They look decent. I read through all the instructions. It looks like it's a simple remove and replace plug and play unit aside from the mounting a resistor. The factory tail lights. These come out by removing two T25 Torx screws. After the screws are removed, the tail lights will come out with a tug. The whole reverse light will come out to reuse later. The main tail light socket only needs to be removed. The resistor installs to the bracket with two Phillips bolts and two 5.5mm lock nuts. This is what it should look like. New clips are supplied, but I'll reuse the existing ones. The reverse light bulb and socket are transferred to the new unit. From there, it is just plug and play and install in the reverse order of removal. Torque screws secured. Tail light installed. Same exact thing for the other side. Both sides installed. Testing all the lights to see how they function.